just coming out of winter time and it's still pretty cold out. 49 degrees today. It's supposed to be warmer than that, but anyway, we're doing a little bit of work on the lawn today. We're going to be dethatching and applying pre-emergent. Obviously, we want to dethatch first so we don't break that pre-emergent barrier, but I'm just going to give you a quick look around the yard just to see what we're dealing with here. Not too much damage over the winter time. There's a little bit of dead stuff here from a huge pile of snow that was mounted up over that mailbox. Luckily, everything's all melted now. A little bit of debris in the lawn I kind of picked up a little bit earlier this week, just in preparation of dethatching. A little bit of snow mold in the backyard, but nothing in the front here. There's a lot of green already showing up along the south side of the house here. Things are looking pretty good. I think I actually have some weeds already popping up in the yard here. I don't know what that is. It's probably crabgrass already, or goosegrass. Not really sure, but as you can see, there's already a lot of good green color here over on the south side where there's a lot of sun. And just around the back here, where the snowplow comes up along the street, there's a lot of dead area. I don't know how much you can see on camera, but you can kind of see the color difference between along the fence line and along the streets here. So this area is very bumpy, in need of a lot of care. It's in direct sunlight pretty much 8 to 9 hours a day, being a southern exposure, so it definitely needs a lot of water and a lot of care. We've got a lot of thick thatch built up underneath here. It'll be interesting to see how much we can pull up. It's not so bad in this area, but in certain areas of the backyard it's a lot worse. So I'm going to get the dethatcher started, and I'll be back after we finish that and you can see the results. I'll show you the dethatcher that I got. This isn't actually a rental, it used to be one, but I have a friend who loaned it to me. I was just cleaning it up, putting some grease on there. So hopefully this thing works pretty good. Fired it up yesterday. It doesn't use metal tines like you would think. It actually uses these little plastic strips here. So yeah, we'll see, they're a little bit worn down right now. I'll probably replace them halfway through the lawn. We'll see how far it goes with just that. Alright, I'll get a little bit of video dethatching and then we'll go from there.